Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all? Today I'm going to make this amazing Valentine's Day card. This looks so beautiful with these cute hearts, and one thing more. I have added this moving cute heart, and when you will open the card, this cute heart will move and bounce. So I'm using this shopping bag because this is a DIY idea. So let's cut the piece from the shopping bag. I used this bag, J dot shopping bag, because this is red and white in theme, so it was going according to my Valentine's Day theme. So I took out the piece from the shopping bag and cut it in a rectangle shape, and then you will fold it. So let's cut it, and you will make it straight like in cutting, so there will be no harsh edges. It should be smooth. So now I'm folding this card. So after folding, I'm making it more smooth and neat and clean. So I'm using this sticker sheet to decorate this cute card. So I'm gonna put these cards one by one on this Valentine's Day card. It's about your imagination. Whatever you want, you can do. You can decorate it according to your style. This is just an idea. So we will later on make that jumping moving heart also, so stay tuned and keep watching the video. So one by one you will add these cute hearts, and now I'm using this pipe cleaner. I will make the heart shape like this, and you just turn from right and left side and use the hot glue and stick it together and paste it on the card. Use hot glue and paste it on the card and press it properly so it will be like strong and it will stick properly. I'm adding one more love heart, and now I'm making jumping moving heart. You have to draw a cute heart shape with black marker, and later on we will make the paper spring. So make it smiley, make it cute, make eyebrows, cute smiley face, and make cute tongue and cheeks. So now it's looking super cute. Cut it, and you have to make two strips. You have to take one long chart paper, white chart paper, and cut about half a centimeter, two strips, and you will turn the strips like this upside down together and make a spring and cut the extra paper, and then use hot glue, apply it on the heart, and then if the spring is longer you can make it short. So my spring was longer, so I made it little short. So apply hot glue on the back side of the spring and paste it on the card and press it properly. Your spring heart is ready. So when you open the card, it will move, it will smile. So now I'm writing I love you. You can write for your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching the video. The card is ready with cute hearts, and you can change the decoration according to your style. Thank you. Bye.